Right, so I'm on my way to the airport. It's mom's birthday today. It's her first time visiting me at this place. She's never been to my place, so alright, so I'm on the way to the airport. We're gonna fetch her and then we're gonna do a video call with my brother, cut her cake and so on.
Thank you.
Cheers, mom. Right, so this thing is called a Mangalore bun that mom got me from, obviously, Mangalore. Excuse my appearance, I'm at home. Right, so I got mom for a walk, chilling. Done with your walk?
I went for London.
What lies?
Yeah.
I'm not doing cheers over. Fast. What's up, puppy? Yep, there's mom. Let's try and scare him. Oh shit, I thought I'd scare you. 2 more minutes, you can sit. Sahil, the pussy magnet. Do the puss. It's very hot. Not bad. Alright, so I'm just headed home now. Dropped Kapil and Sahil off. We stepped out for some coffee and a meal. Headed home to mom now, maybe have a drink with her. So what do you think of the food and coffee? Excited to go back home, mom? See you, mom. Safe travels and all.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, that's about it. Just dropped mom to the airport, headed home now. She's here for a week. I don't think we got around to doing much, but yeah, man, these were anyway trying times, so glad I got to spend some time with her. So my vlog was done recording yesterday, and today it's so weird. It's the 1st of December and it's begun to rain out of nowhere, so I thought I'll end my vlog with some clips of a gloomy December. Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Is it spicy? Like, is it stuffed with wasabi or?
No. But you'll get the kick.
Ah, okay. But like, I really love this. So like, choco pan toast, honey, sesame ice cream, coconut ice cream. What's Oh, sorry. Thank you.
It's a smash prawn patty with a Szechuan sauce.
I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, stay safe, wear a mask, sanitize your hands, and see you soon.